unpaid nurses, teachers, and doctors. And then Maja Alawa, now so me unkotoa unemployed nurses and teachers, doctors in the house. Monko share one of the reasons why you will not get your pay and you're not going to be employed anytime soon. Mama yango here.
On sika Felix Kwakye chale akwani fili because show ka otimu me se wa akoye sepre no oba e won ka otimu hwe ka Felix Kwakye 2025 boga 2025 escalate okite
Mama is the who allow my gentleman talk and near my boy and Sasa, why Jim when you so? Felix Kwakye made you to even have a problem with an 80-year-old man that goes to events with a chair. These were the dudes that make you have a problem with a man that was older than some of your grandpas. And right now, your grandparents cannot even see well. Talk more of walking. They made you to have a problem with just a seat that Nanado carried to go to events. Under Nanado regime, the only thing they have a problem with was his seat. Today, young boys, whilst Nanado was carrying that seat along, nobody hit the street to be crying tears, asking for government to pay them. When Nanado inherited this economy in 2017, they equally posted people in November and December. He never laid off a single person. He did not allow any of those they employed last minute to hit the streets and cry for their allowances. The backlog of unemployment that he created and left it. He posted people. None of those that Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo posted had to come to the streets and cry for their allowances. But we allowed ourselves, for people like Felix Kwakye, to make us have a problem with what? An 80-plus-year-old man carrying a chair along to events. And then in 2024. It can pay over 10,000 of your salaries. That is the latest 2025. Abaini Nisika. Labor Minister is crying. 40% to give you people for your salaries is paying them. It's paying them because these are the cars they want to launch. Sami Gemfi, Range Rover latest. Sam George, Lexus latest. Felix Kwakye own has landed. These are the reasons why they will not pay you. You had better. And you rewarded that government with nothing but ungratefulness. The unemployed nurses in the house. This is the reason why you will continue to be in the house and suffer till even next year. And God will be your witness. God, it will be a miracle that next year, the people that Mahama will be posting, some of you that badly really need the postings, you will even get the postings. Hey, Ghana, civil servants, papa. Hey, dodo niwo. Workers now, have you seen your taxes so far? They just gave you 10%. But have you seen the taxes they've brought on you? Yeah, I'm a politician. Yeah, I'm an ordinary person. I don't like politics. To understand that even your own working sector, you don't care. You don't want to pay attention to the government that actually come, and when your leaders go on negotiation table, the government listens to them and grants you what you want. Just use your head and think. Now what's nasi? I'm a Felix Kwakye, Sami Gemfi, Sam George. Adada munyina just to secure the bag for their own families. None of them families is here today. As you are wailing up and down, they are not here. They are all abroad, schooling. Calling daddy and mommy, asking for what? Monthly allowances in dollars. You are the one they are sacrificing to better their own families. Whilst the NPP was in power, even if they were driving cars, what was entitled for you was given to you as a worker. What was entitled for you as allowances was given to you. In fact, this are buying ultra allowances. When you are buying what the aba or CC agenda 111 hospital. Mwako funny power wako to know opposition. 8 good years are come dinner was near the car. Abesi so. I'm sorry. Want to kill myself. Mama is the whole. Adia ya ne se mu poti na moko endorse aban we dodo na mokrampo mu ni dwuma na ya te tax mu na mahama cause ekoka oka pidgin de ma mu amoko ton printing ma papa we mu ene mu na yentu ya moka ente mo tax na mu hu se ne eziti ade oh Gauchi. That is NDC for you. They don't know when to sacrifice, when to even just be low key. Omo bapa wanche yo. Ka omo yenyansafo a omo dwi nipa ho dia anka. This is the time say at least they try to just sort out you people. No mo shisha niyama ye emma the ordinary Ghanaian. Na ni aka no mundi. But omo ho popo omo. Because they don't come to lead you. They come to rule over you. Use you and chop money. That is what they are doing. All of them now are driving like serious cars. You are on the street just begging. Pay me. They say the money. If they will give you 47%, Felix Kwakye will not drive this car. Sammy Jemfi might not have to buy this Range Rover. Sam George will not have to buy Lexus. And then order Mercedes latest for the wife to be driving. So you will suffer it next time.
Sepr, quing. You know, it's very funny. Whenever I hear this song, it's very, very funny. But this guy who was all over telling people how wicked Akufo-Addo was. He was telling people how Akufo-Addo was wicked. Today he's in government less than 10 months. On count 2025 escalate. 2025. No office inquiry 78 million Ghana cedis na koye. 78 million Ghana cedi. They call the office. When the office. Scared the koye no. Today on ka odri. One acquire separate ni queen. Separate ni queen no. How far? Separate ni queen. How far? On say on the aqua no change now. I'm kind of saying. Bibi be na watching that thing that they have been saying. Asokwa no change now. Mde asokwa adane wo a change na because you choose not to reason. And this is the reason why you are going to suffer. And you will suffer alone. That is the honest truth. You will suffer alone. We are not going to suffer with you. We are not going to suffer with you because we told you that these people are people that you shouldn't trust. But I say no, I'm gonna bet you money and you are going to vote for them and as a press ne yezu ne yeza and a mahama mahaming you need that so we need that so and then one there. That's one up. And so today was soon because and the minister Edima a year health estimate can't you say yet me employ mo the 74,000 health workers now can by 2026. So, see, can't just want me from why it's in a